Good morning, children. How are you, children? Okay, we will start the lesson, children. So today's lesson name is family. We are continuing the same lesson, is it? So what we learned in the last class? We learned about the two families, two types of the families, nuclear and a joint family, and what are the differences between the two families, and then what are the similarities between the families, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of these families we learned in the previous class. So now I am giving one table. So this table or list shows different families. Okay, so we have to find out who is the head of the family, and then what is the relationship with that persons along with the remaining members of the family. So children, see here. So in this column I am writing the name of the head of the family. Name of the head of the family. So what is this shows? Name of the head of the family. Okay. The second column shows number of members in the family. So last column this shows. So what is the relationship between the head of the family and the remaining members in that family? Okay, children. We will go into start from here. First family, that is Ramana family. How many members are there in Ramana's family? Yes, 6 members are there. Who are they, and then what is the relationship between the Ramana and the remaining members of the family? Ramana has a father, mother, wife, son and a daughter. They are living in the same house. Okay. So this is the relationship between Ramana and the remaining members of his family. Let us move to the second family, that is Somana family. How many members are there in his family, in Somana's family? Yes, 7 members. In the second column, you can identify, that shows the name or number of members in the family. How many members are there in Somana family? 7 is correct. So what is the relationship, or who are they? Somana has father. Somana has a father, mother, grandfather, wife, son and a daughter. They are living in the same house with Somana. Who is the head of this family? Somana. Is it? How many members are there? 7. See here. Somana 1 from this. Somana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it? So like this we can count and write down. In this we can write how many members are there in the particular family. So let us move to the third family, that is Kavirappa family. How many members are there in Kavirappa family? Let us count it. Kavirappa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it including Kavirappa? Is the head of that family. So what is the relationship between the Kavirappa and the other members in the family, or who are they? Kavirappa has a grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, son, daughter, and then daughter-in-law, grandson. Is it? So then total it becomes how many members? 9 members. So see the children. So next is Nilakanta family. So fourth family is Nilakanta family. How many members are there in Nilakanta family? There are only 4 members. Is it? So who are they? So Nilakanta has a wife, son, daughter. They are living in the same house. Is it? So Nilakanta family. So this table shows different families, is it? So there are some questions, children. So with the help of this table, answer my question, children. So number of family, have to mention the number of families which have less than 5 members. So see here, children. You have to write the number of families which have less than 5 members in that family. See here, whose family has less than 5 members? See here, this is 6, 7, 9, 4. So this one, this is the answer. How many families in this table? How many families are there? Okay, so which have less than 5 members? Only one family, that is Nilakanta family. Number of families which have less than 5 members. Only one family, is it? That is Nilakanta family. So second question is, so number of families which have more than 5 members. So write or name the number of families. We should write the number of families which have more than is 5 members. So see here. So with the help of this table, answer the question, children. How many families that have or which have more than 5 members? See here, Ramana, Somana and then Kavirappa. So Ramana's family, there are 6 members. In Somana family, how many members are there? 7 members. In Kavirappa family, 9 members are there. So this 6, 7 and 9 shows it is more than 5. See? So how many families are there in this table which have more than 5 members? There are, so count it, 1, 2, 3 families are there which have more than 5 members. Number of families which have more than 5 members. That is, how many families are there in this column? Yes, correct. That is about 3 families are there which have more than 5 members in the family. Okay, children. So next is number of families which have 2 generations. So that family should have only 2 generations. Tell me children, how many families that have only 2 generations? So see here, Ramana and his wife. So before that, see here, father, mother, it's the first generation. Then Ramana and his wife to the second generation, son and daughter, that is third generation. So it becomes, how many generations are there? It has 3 generations. So it is not the answer for my question, is it? So I am asking number of families which have only 2 generations. Let us come to the second family, that is Somana family. See here, Somana and then his see here, father, mother and then grandfather is there. Is it grandfather is the first generation, then father, mother, second generation, Somana and then wife, that is third generation, Somana's son and then daughter, that is fourth generation. See here, children, there are, so in Somana's family, how many generations are there? Yes, there are 4 generations, is it? So it is not the answer for my question. Let's move to the next family, that is Kavyappa family. It is also joint family. Let us count it. See the generation, how many generations does the Kavyappa family have? Let us see. Grandfather, grandmother, that is first generation. Then father, mother, second generation. Kavyappa, third generation, is it? Son, daughter, daughter-in-law, fourth generation. And grandson is the fifth generation. Is it, children? So it has more than 2 generations. Kavyappa family has more than 2 generations. So let us move to the next family, that is Nilakanta family. How many generations are there in the Nilakanta family? Nilakanta and his wife. That is first generation or 1 generation, and then son and daughter, second generation. Okay. So we can get the answer. In this table, we have only one family that have only 2 generations. So my question is, write the number of families which have 2 generations. Tell me the answer, children. Only one family is there which that have only 2 generations. Number of families which have 2 generations. Zip. That is about only one family. It has only 2 generations. So next question is, so tell me the number of families which have more than 2 generations. So in this table we have seen only the 1 generation and the Nilakanta family, is it? So the remaining families which that have more than 2 generations. Now tell me number of families which have more than 2 generations. So there are 3 families. So for example, Ramana, Somana and then Kavyappa, they have more than, these families have more than 2 generations. Is it? So next question is, tell me the number of families which have more than 2 generations. Okay? So tell me, children, what is the answer for this? So see here, the Ramana family has more than 2 generations. That's about 4 generations are there, is it? So in Somana family also they have more than 2 generations. I have told it has 5 generations, isn't it? So in Kavyappa family, we have learned that it is also a joint family. It has more than 2 generations, is it? So count it, children, how many families in this table that have more than 2 generations. That is Ramana, Somana and then Kavyappa family. That's totally 3 families have more than 2 generations. 3 family. Is it, children? What do you understand from this? So what do you understand from this? Listen, children. So today's class we learned about different families, that is about joint family and then nuclear families. Isn't it, children? We learned about how many members are there in the particular family. For example, Ramana family and then Nilakanta family. So Nilakanta family is a nuclear family. The remaining family, for example, Ramana, Somana and then Kavyappa family, they have more than 2 generations. That's joint family. Their family is a joint family. So children, I hope you are all understood what I am explaining today. So if you have any doubt, call me, children. Thank you, children.